Every single illustration you have seen so far in this video was not drawn by a human hand. It was generated by an artificial intelligence, one pixel pattern at a time. If you didn't notice, that's exactly the point. Look closely at the hands in some of those pictures, or any letters that tried to appear. Something is usually a little off. We'll come back to exactly why in a few minutes. And the reason is stranger than you'd think. Meet Sarah, a second-year design student who typed a simple sentence into an image generator late one night. 10 seconds later, a fully formed picture of a castle floating in the clouds appeared on her screen. She had no idea how it actually happened. To Sarah, it felt like magic, like the computer simply understood her words. But there is no wizard inside the machine. There is a very patient, very well-trained pattern matching system. That system had to learn from somewhere. And the somewhere is enormous. These models are trained on hundreds of millions, sometimes billions, of pictures paired with written captions scraped from across the internet. Picture a photo of a golden retriever labeled, "a happy dog running on the beach." Now multiply that single example by roughly 2 billion. That's the scale of textbook the AI studies before it ever draws anything for you. Here's a common myth worth busting right away. The AI is not stitching together pieces of real photographs like a collage. And it is not searching a hidden database for the closest matching picture. Have you ever wondered what it's actually doing instead? During training, the model isn't memorizing pictures. It's learning statistical relationships, which shapes, textures, and colors tend to appear when certain words are used. It's building an internal sense of dogness or castleness without storing any single photo. So how does that learned knowledge become a brand new picture out of nothing? It starts, oddly enough, with pure random noise, like television static frozen on a page. This is the heart of what's called diffusion, and the easiest way to picture it is a foggy window. Imagine wiping that fog away in small circular motions until a clear scene slowly emerges underneath. An AI image generator does something similar, but in reverse of how it was trained. During training, the model was shown millions of clear images and taught to gradually add noise to them, step by step, until only static remained. Then it learned the much harder skill, predicting how to undo each of those noisy steps, one at a time, to get back to the clear picture. Do that in reverse, starting from fresh random noise, and you get something entirely new. So when Sarah typed her prompt, the model started with random static and began cleaning it up in dozens of small steps, each one guided towards something slightly less noisy and slightly more coherent. But cleaning up static randomly would just produce random pictures. This is where the text prompt earns its keep. It acts like a steering wheel, nudging every denoising step toward the words Sarah typed. At every single step of removing noise, the model checks the text and asks, essentially, does this look more like the description now? It repeats this question dozens of times until a finished image appears. Here's a number that surprises most people. Some of these systems complete this noise-to-image journey in as few as 20 to 50 steps, taking just seconds, even though each step involves billions of calculations. Now, let's answer the question we open with. Why do hands so often come out wrong? Think about how many different ways a hand can be posed, folded, or overlapping fingers in a photo. A dog almost always looks like a dog, but hands have an enormous number of possible configurations, and training photos rarely label finger positions precisely. The model ends up with a blurry, uncertain idea of hand, so it sometimes guesses an extra finger or a strange bend. Text runs into a similar problem, but worse. The model doesn't actually know the alphabet the way you do. It only knows that certain squiggly shapes tend to appear near certain kinds of images, so it draws letter-like shapes without truly understanding spelling. Sarah tested this herself, typing a prompt for a bakery sign that read fresh bread. What came back was a lovely bakery window with letters that looked convincing at a glance, but spelled nothing real at all. She laughed and tried again. Not every tool handles this identically. Different generator families, some more geared toward photorealism, others toward artistic styles, each trained on their own collections of images with their own strengths and quirks. But the underlying noise-to-image process is fundamentally the same story. It's worth being honest about something else too. This process raises real questions, since many of those training images were collected from the internet without individual artists' direct permission, a debate still being worked out by courts and companies alike. So no, the AI does not understand a castle or a dog the way you do. It has never seen sunlight or touched fur. It only knows an extraordinarily detailed map of which patterns tend to travel together, which brings us back to where we started. Every image in this video, the hands, the brains, the static, all of it came from that same noise cleaning process. Next time you spot a strange finger or a nonsense word in an AI picture, you'll know exactly what's happening behind the scenes.